In a world where opulence meets precision, one name continues to reign supreme: Mercedes-Maybach. For 2025, they've once again raised the bar, delivering a limousine so refined, it doesn't just transport you, it elevates you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Limousine, a car that doesn't just whisper wealth, it sings it in perfect harmony. The first thing you'll notice is the sheer presence. Measuring over 18 feet in length, the 2025 Maybach Limousine isn't just long, it's majestic. The classic Maybach two-tone paint job is still here, now available in over a dozen bespoke combinations. And those 21-inch forged wheels? They look like they belong in a jewelry case. The new grille design is a reinterpretation of the Maybach identity, vertical chrome slats that catch the light like fine crystal. And just beneath, you'll find an updated front bumper with integrated radar sensors, tucked discreetly behind the gloss black panels. You'll understand why this car isn't just transportation, it's an experience. The 2025 Maybach takes what was already an indulgent interior and turns it into a rolling luxury suite. This isn't just leather, it's Napa leather, hand-stitched and tanned using sustainable processes. And these seats? Fully reclinable, with calf support, massage functions, and even shoulder heating. Yes, shoulder heating. Because why not? Rear passengers get twin 11.6-inch infotainment screens, wireless headphones, a fold-out workspace, and even a champagne fridge with matching silver flutes. Maybach doesn't just think of convenience, they think of rituals. Relax, recline, sip, repeat. The front is all about digital command. The MBUX hyperscreen dominates the dash, a single piece of curved glass housing 3 displays.